Hello my dear students. Our lesson today is for grade 7, unit 12, lesson 3, and it will be about climate change. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to match words with their definitions. Read a text about the future of the world to match headings with the paragraphs. Write a list of the problems caused by climate change. Discuss issues related to the text. Climate change. First of all, look at these two pictures. Can you describe these two pictures? Yes, very good. The first picture on the left, there is a lot of ice everywhere. The second picture on the right, yes, this is a forest, very good. There is a fire, and there is a lot of smoke too. It causes air pollution. In today's lesson, we have some new words. Let's start by studying the new vocabulary in this lesson. The first word today is
rise, rise,
rise, rise. Repeat after me. Rise, rise. Look at this picture. The arrow is going up. Rise. And as you can see, it's a verb. Rise means to increase in number, amount, or value. Can you use it in a sentence? I'm sure you can. Very good. The river rises after the rain. The next word today is
predict, predict,
predict. Repeat after me. Predict, predict. What is this woman doing? Yes, very good. She's trying to predict the future. Predict. This word is a verb. Who can use it in a sentence? Yes, very good. Scientists can predict storms. Next, turn into. Turn into. Repeat after me. Turn into. Turn into. Look at this picture. What's happening to the water? It turns into ice. Very good. Turn into. As you can see, it's a phrasal verb. When you cool water, it turns into ice. Next word.
pollution, pollution,
Pollution. Pollution. Repeat after me. Pollution. In this picture, there is a lot of smoke. This causes air pollution. In the second picture, water pollution. Pollution. Pollution means the process of making air, water, soil, etc. dirty and not suitable for people to use. Pollution. And as you can see, it's a noun. Can you use it in a sentence? Yes, very good. Cars and factories cause air pollution. The next word.
polar, polar, polar,
Polar. Polar. Repeat after me. Polar. What's this animal? Yes, very good. It's a polar bear. Polar. And as you can see, it's an adjective. Polar. Polar means close to or relating to the North Pole or the South Pole. The polar bear lives in the North Pole. Very good. Now let's move to the next word.
Ice cap. Ice cap. Ice cap.
Ice cap. Ice cap. Repeat after me, please. Ice cap. Ice cap. Look at these pictures. Ice cap. Ice cap means the area of thick ice that covers the North and South poles. And as you can see, it's a noun. The next word. Sea level. Sea level. Repeat after me. Sea level. Sea level. Look at these two pictures. Sea level. What's the difference between them? In the second picture, the sea level rises. Sea level. The average height of the sea used as a standard for measuring other heights. This is what is meant by sea level. And as you can see, it's a noun. The top of Mount Everest is 8,848 meters above sea level. Next word.
Flood. Flood. Flood.
Flood. Flood. Repeat after me, please. Flood. Flood. What can you see in these pictures? Yes, very good. There's a lot of water everywhere. The water covers the streets. People are walking in the water. Flood. Flood means a very large amount of water that covers an area. And as you can see, it's a noun. Can you use it in a sentence? I'm sure you can. Very good. After the flood, it took weeks for the water level to go down. Let's move to the next word.
Environment. Environment. Environment.
Environment. Environment. Repeat after me. Environment. Environment. Environment means the air, water, and land where we live. Environment. It's a noun. Who can use it in a sentence? Very good. We should protect the environment from pollution. Next word.
Well. Well.
Well. Well. Repeat after me, please. Well. Well. Well is a deep hole in the ground from which people take water. Well. And it's a noun. In the past, people used to get water from wells. Next word.
Coast. Coast. Coast.
Coast. Coast. Repeat after me, please. Coast. Coast. Look at these two pictures. Coast. And it's a noun. Coast. The area where land meets the sea. The area where the land meets the sea. And the last word for today's lesson is
Glacier. Glacier. Glacier.
glacier. Repeat after me, please. Glacier. 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 And as you can see, it's a noun. Glacier The large mass of ice which moves slowly down a mountain valley. Glacier. Okay, now let's move to the first exercise for today's lesson. Exercise 1. Match the words with the definitions. Read these definitions and match the words with the definitions. The first one is done for you. Number 1. When large amounts of water cover a place and cause damage, this is floods. Who can answer number 2? Yes, number 2. Enormous pieces of ice in the mountains. Who can answer? Yes, very good. Glaciers. Number 3. The part of a country where the land meets the sea. Excellent. Coast. Very good. Number 4. Plants such as rice or wheat that people grow to eat. Very good. Crops. Number 5. Deep holes in the ground where people get drinking water. Excellent. Wells. And the last one, animals that live in the wild. Okay, very good. Wildlife. Now, who can read this question? Very good. What causes the world's temperature to rise? To find the answer to this question, I want you to look quickly and read silently this paragraph and find the answer to the question. Start reading, please. Have you finished? Okay, now let's answer the question. What causes the world's temperature to rise? Have you found the answer? Yes, very good. This is caused by pollution from factories, cars, planes, and lorries. Okay, now exercise 2. Read the article on page 86 and match the headings with the paragraphs. But before you read, I want you to look quickly and read the headings. Number A, sea levels. Number B, farming. Number C, wildlife. D, we can help. E, glaciers and ice caps. F, droughts. Okay, now start reading, then match the headings with the paragraphs. Have you finished? Okay, let's move to the next 2 paragraphs. And now the last 2 paragraphs. Have you finished? Okay. Okay, have you finished? Let's answer the exercise. Now, let's match the headings with the paragraphs. Paragraph 1, who can answer? Yes, very good. Glaciers and ice caps. Now, number 2, paragraph 2. Very good. Sea levels. Paragraph 3. Very good. Farming. Now, number 4. Excellent. Droughts. 5. Wildlife. Very good. And the last one, we can help. Excellent. Now, let's move to exercise 3. Exercise 3, read the text again. Make a list of 5 problems caused by climate change. And the first one is done for you. Glaciers will turn into water. Okay, now, you can tell me another problem. Very good. Parts of the coast will go underwater. That's right. What else? Many islands will flood. Very good. Some hot countries won't be able to grow plants. Excellent. What else? It will rain less. Very good. Forest fires will happen more often. Very good. Excellent. Now, which of these problems do you think will affect your country? What do you think? I want you to think this question, and you can write the answers as homework. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.